What's up guys, I'm gonna be doing another unboxing. So this time it's gonna be something I got from the mail thing. So let's open this up. I need something sharp. I'll grab my box cutter. Basically, I got my this is what I bought. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Got it from Amazon. So I wanted to do this for a while now. I've been wanting to do this for a while for my PC. So basically I bought these. Oh shit. It's basically a fan by upHere. There you go. I got 3 of them. So he's got RGB, I think. Not sure really, but we'll check it out. Alright, I'm gonna install this on the computer. Show you guys what I'm talking about. I'm gonna do the installation. It means I'll have to remove the old fans. What these are. What are these? There's 3 of them. Here's the screws. Should be plenty. So there's 4, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12. Should be 12 screws in total because 4 each fans. And I don't know what these are. What are these? See, it's like, I guess it's for sticking. Stick it on there. Huh. I'll figure it out. Here's one of the fans. So that's what I got. They're pretty cool. So you know, just decided to grab them. So, you know, I wanted to try out. Plus one of the fans are starting to fail, so I decided to grab a new one. And then this came with that. Oh, okay. It's the RGB lights. I got 2. See? LED lights. There's a pair? Oh, okay, yeah. So basically I can put this on the top and then put this one on the bottom. So there you go. LED lights for inside the PC. I'll also install these. There you go. And here's where the plug is. I'll figure it out. Okay. Here's the rest of the stuff. It's underneath this. So these are the plugs. Here's the remote. It comes with a battery, I'm sure there's a built-in battery already. Yeah. These are the plugs that I gotta plug in, the power connectors and all that. So these plugs into the 2 LED, and then this end goes inside. This is the power. This end right here goes here. Oops. Hey, what did I drop? I go? Okay, here it is. And this is the end. This is an extension right here. If I want to make it longer, because you know, if I'm putting it down, I'll figure it out. And then this end right here. This is the power for the SATA, because I can put it on the SATA connector, or this one. I think I can either use SATA or I can use this for the power. See, it just goes like that, and this connects to the power in the back and the side. Alright, I'm gonna have to figure this thing out. So the name of the things I ordered is called upHere upHere long life 120mm 3-pin high airflow quiet edition blue LED case fans. That's the name of the brand, upHere. And then the name of the RGB lights are Lumen Basic computer case LED strips. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure out how to install these. I don't know if I should start with the fans first, because these are gonna be interesting to. Alright, so I'm gonna open this up. I don't know if I should do the fans first, so I'm gonna have to take this down if I do the fans. Let's remove this, put this up here. Or I'll figure it out. Oops. So basically how I remove the fans is I gotta remove these cords on the front. But then I wanna see how am I gonna plug the so this one right here I gotta remove. Let me see if it's the same size. Yeah, it's the same. Alright, so it goes like this. So I gotta figure out where to plug these. Or like this, upside down. Doesn't really matter. So I gotta figure out where to plug that. You know what? I'm gonna do this first. Just turn that off. Then remove these. I just want to remove all of them. Oops. Okay. I gotta remove this again like last time. Gotta be careful. That's the only way I'll be able to remove the screws. There we go. Check. Okay, there's no power, so we're good. So there's some screws here that I gotta remove. Oh yeah, I gotta remove this panel right here on this side. I'll put it back on later. Okay. I'm trying to figure out what Maybe I should use this one right here. One of these. And then the power for the fan. I'm trying to figure out what the connectors are. Oh, okay, that one. There's a bunch of power source here. Here's another one. So I can pick which one I want. Basically. There's two. So we'll see how this works. First I gotta remove the fans. So I think I'll remove this too. We're gonna have to remove it from the other side. That was not a good idea. Okay. Whew. Right. Okay. Okay, that works. Wait up. I want to see where the power for this is. So right here, that's the fan. And then the other end goes here. Okay, it goes right there. Oh, okay. It's attached to that. I see. I'll figure it out. That's one. Oops. Maybe I should just reuse the screws. See? It already came with a screw, so really no point in getting rid of this over. Well, might as well use the new one because it's new. Okay, and this one. Whoa, no, that means it's coming off. That's how it works. Whoa, there goes the fan. Fan number one is out. Okay, all right. So that's the first fan. First I gotta remove the plug. It's interesting. Okay, got the first fan out. So this is the other end of it, the power connectors. I'm gonna replace that with the new fan. Where's the fan? Where'd I put that thing? Okay, here it is. It's about to... Okay, so I'm gonna put it this way since the... Wait, should I? Maybe this way because the... Or that way? It's because the... This is gonna be interesting. Oh well, it's long. It's probably long enough. Figure it out. First, I gotta remove this little wiring. There we go. Basically, he says on the instructions that I can't use both these. I can only use one. So I can only use one of these. I can't use this. So I have to plug this in like from where I got it. So maybe let's try putting it like that. First I'm gonna put this on the little hole. Oops. where I remove the other one and reinsert that. There we go. Then I'll plug this in after I fix this up right here. Oops. Just trying to get the water through. There we go. And then maybe I should put the screws first before doing anything. Yeah, might as well screw this in. Or I can remove this first. I'll remove this one first. You know what? I'll remove that bottom one before I do anything further. Put this one there, then remove this. It's all the same size anyway, so it doesn't matter if I mix it all up. Two, three, and then 4. That was dramatic. Okay. Alright, let's get that off. Let's see, let's find the cord. Trying to find the connectors. Here it is. Not really complicated. Okay, just trying to get this out. Oops. That's why the wires are all back here, so they don't get tangled up in the front. Because, you know, they're really messy if you just let them. There we go. Fan number 2 is up. Got both of them. Okay, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and install this first. Put it down here. Might as well do this part first. Oops. Ah. Can be a little annoying and tricky, but once you get it. Come on, get in there. There we go. So this will go in here, right here. And then I'll put the other one on top of this. That's the power source. Alright. There we go. And I'll screw this. Get me the screws, the new ones. Which I don't think it doesn't matter. Okay. I think I've got it all mixed up. Let's see. Which one's the new one? The new one's gotta be shiny. Okay, yeah, this one. Okay, what was it? I gotta put the screws in there. But let me screw it up before because I can't hold both with one hand. I'll screw on it. I got the screws in there, but I haven't tightened it, so I'm gonna tighten it now. Oops. Oop. Okay, sick. Still not tighten up. Got the first fan up. Let's put the next one. Fan number 2. And that's how you replace the fan. It's not really complicated. And just put it there, and then I gotta put the wire in. This is gonna be annoying. Okay. Fan number 2. Just gotta put this in here. This is a pain. Come on. There we go. Oh man. There we go. Okay, that will go on top of this one. Oops. The other one we just pulled out. See, it's this one. Just put it like that. Nice. Alright, gotta screw this one. Oh shit. Okay, I gotta hold this again. But basically I gotta screw each corner. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the hole right there. There we go. I gotta put the screw there. Okay, I got both of them installed. Okay. And I'm gonna work on this fan right here. Not this one, but this one. I gotta do this later because I want to reapply the thermal paste on the side on the CPU because I have problems with overheating, so I have to fix that. Alright, see if I can remove this one. Try to remove the screw right here. It's right there. See, down. I got the one here, and the one here, and then I need to remove the one down here. There we go. So you can see that's how you get the screw off. There we go. That right there, and the last one, this one. Okay, let's get this out. There we go. I already removed the plug from the other side. It's stuck. Looks like it's stuck in between that. Maybe if I remove it. Maybe I can just scoot it over. There we go. Okay, nice. That's the last fan. I want to wipe that because it looks really dirty, like it's dusty. See, look how dirty that is. Man. That's why it's important to clean it once in a while. Or you can use one of these. An air duster. Spray it, it's like an air. Probably good. Alright, nice. Alright, I got it screwed. Pretty secure. So, okay. Now I'm gonna plug in the thing. Plug it on here. On top of that. Oh wait, backwards. This way. There we go. Just click in place. That's the power source from the... Everything's connected here. Power supply unit. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to put in... I'm gonna try to figure this thing out. I don't know exactly how, but I think this is gonna stick. I'm gonna try sticking that up. This will be on the bottom, this will be on the top. Okay, that's the power. Okay, let's see. Okay, first, figure out how this is gonna go. So I'm gonna put that right up here in the ceiling, in the corner. First, I'm gonna remove the adhesive. Should I do this? Should I just stick this down in the bottom? What is that? Is that the... It's probably for the remote signal. Okay, this one I'm gonna have to put into the back. Figure this out. Squeeze that in that hole. Let's see where it is. There it is. So I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna plug this in. Trying to find where's a good spot. Wait, is that I think that's where I'm gonna plug it in. Let me figure out. It looks like a SATA. Okay, try to stick this down here. There we go. As long as there's the adhesive holding it in place. And then this should go right here. So of course the other one. there like a plug I can plug this in? I'm trying to figure this out. Looks like I don't have the plug here, so I'm gonna have to get another one of the things here. But I got the light in there, so we're gonna test if it works. First I gotta plug everything back in. Okay, first I gotta put this, reassemble it. Okay, you gotta put this back in the box. We'll just worry about this later. Here's the remote. So this will be the remote for that. Alright, we'll test it out first. I gotta reassemble everything. Just do that side first. Oh crap. Gotta screw that in. Okay. Alright. Now we gotta put the panel on the front. What the hell? It's blurry. Okay. Alright, let's put this in. Nice. Right, everything clicked in place. Okay, now oh shit. Okay, I'll do this side. So I'm basically missing a plug. I decided not to add the other RGB, but there should be plenty now, even if I don't have all the necessary. Okay, nice. Now we'll turn it on. First, I gotta plug all these back in. Shit. That's really annoying. Okay. Let's see. Oops. Okay. Then the camera, my webcam, and the earphones. Okay. So now let's fix this just a second. There we go. Plug in the power. Then turn this on. Let's try it. I'm kind of nervous. Boom. Oh, that is sweet. Look at that, baby. Oh. Alright, let's try the remote. Oh wait, I gotta pull this plastic thing first. Gotta remove that. There we go. Now we can use the remote. I hope off. Wait a sec, is it working? Or is it working? Let me fix this. Oh hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So I just fixed the antenna. Wait, is it reaching? Oh, there we go. So on. I don't know if it reaches. There we go. Let's choose blue. There we go. Or red. Or orange. Green. Blue. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. See, I got the fan lights there. So I still need another plug so I can put one up on top here. The only thing really missing is the RGB RAM. If I can replace those RAMs with lights as well, or maybe, you know, replace them with RAMs with RGB lights on them, these four, and then it'll just flash. And then this one is starting to kind of fade off the lights. I have to replace that soon, but it's okay. So there you go. And it has the remote. I can turn it off. It only controls the LED though. See? Turn it off and turn it on. And let's leave it at blue. I like blue. There we go. Alright, so that's how you install RGB lights, RGB fans, and RGB LED. Or how do you make it flash? Forgot. What is that? Does it make it brighter? I don't really know. See, flash. Okay, now it's like a Christmas tree. Okay, fade. Strobe. Smooth. What is this? Let's leave it a blue. Is that the same as that one? Yeah. And then I'll try this. What is this? Let's make it brighter or what? Ah, whatever. Okay, that's how you do it. Peace. So yeah, you can pretty much install it anywhere. In the top, the bottom, in the corner. No matter where you want. As long as you know where to plug it in.